Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I have something different for you guys. This is a tour of the Oneplus Experience store on JM Road in Pune. I will also unbox the new OnePlus 7 Pro at the store and give you my first impressions of it. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. As you enter the store, you have the display area where you can get your hands on and experience the latest OnePlus phones. There's also an accessories section. There's a OnePlus Cafe too, where customers are served coffee for free. There's a seating area and a showcase showing off the special editions of OnePlus phones. Now let's get to the unboxing. This is the Nebula Blue variant of the phone with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. Opening up the box, we have another small red box inside which we find a silicone case and another small red box. Inside this we have some paperwork, the SIM ejector tool that just fell off, and some OnePlus stickers. Let's keep this stuff away to the side, and also let's keep the phone aside for a bit. There's a welcome card which I forgot to open, but there's nothing interesting in there. Underneath we have the traditional red OnePlus power cable and the Warp Charge 30 power brick, which is the fancy name of the successor to Dash Charge. This charger works with 5 volts and 6 amperes, hence making it a 30-watt charger. This is capable of charging the 4000 mAh battery of the OnePlus 7 Pro to 48% in just 20 minutes. Now let's unwrap the phone. Let me show you the hardware while the phone is booting up. To the front we have the huge bezel-less notch-less 6.67-inch fluid AMOLED display. To the right we have the perfectly placed power button and the well-loved alert slider above that. To the left we have the volume rockers. The beautiful back of the phone houses a triple camera setup with a 48 megapixel primary camera with OIS, 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times zoom, and a 16 megapixel ultra-wide lens. The SIM tray of the phone is located at the bottom alongside the USB-C port. It houses 2 SIM cards but does not have room for microSD expansion, which is a bit of a letdown. It has a rubber ring for protection against water damage. The transparent case provided inside the box is a good case option to show off the beautiful design of the phone. It also has raised edges to protect the camera bump and the display. Performance-wise, this phone is a complete beast due to the following features. This is the first phone to come with UFS 3.0 storage, which is twice as fast as UFS 2.1 in other flagships like the Galaxy S10 Plus. It has the Snapdragon 855 chip inside, up to 12 gigs of RAM, and a new gaming mode called Fanatic Mode, which has a lot of great features. Also, with features like RAM boost, a Quad HD Plus 90Hz AMOLED display, and stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, this is the phone to get for gaming. The only drawback in my opinion is the lack of a headphone jack. The camera app lets you switch between the 3 modes, which are normal, wide angle and telephoto, and has other modes like nightscape for low light scenarios, portrait mode, and a dedicated pro mode which lets you capture raw 48 megapixel images if you want. The selfie camera is a 16 megapixel pop-up camera which will auto-retract if the phone detects a free fall, which is a pretty neat feature for protection. Here are some pictures showing the effect of the nightscape mode. In both these scenarios, the first picture is taken in the normal mode and the second one in nightscape. As you can see, nightscape mode brings out a lot of details from the shadows and eliminates a lot of noise. Over here I have captured the same scene with the 3 different cameras. As you can see, the pictures taken by the normal and telephoto lens are pretty good. Wide angle lens photo is good too, but it lacks dynamic range and whitens the sky. Here are some more pictures taken with the primary camera. Overall the pictures are good with good dynamic range. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. A lot of effort goes into making these videos, so if you did like it, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Also share this video with friends and family if you can. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.